Hey guys, what's up? It's none other than your girl T from Holy Mukbang, and of course I have the lovely princess with me from Mukbang Princess. Right? Say hi. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Today, as you can see, we have the honeycomb and we have Popeyes chicken, guys. So without further ado, we're gonna get started. Yes, guys. Look at this, just dripping off, right? How beautiful is that?
This looks really yummy.
It does. So good. Guys, I gotta be honest, I've never had honey with chicken before.
Can I get some honey?
But I figure I'd try it, see what it tastes like, try something a little different.
Can I get some honey, please?
Sure.
Guys, I really love honeycombs.
I had honeycomb for the first time, like, what, 2 weeks ago?
Oh, no.
And it was really good. Let me break you a piece. It was
Break
really
me a big piece.
And from the time she tasted it, she fell in love with the honeycomb, honestly.
Mine is already dripping. I'm gonna drip behind the chicken.
It's good, right?
I haven't even started eating my chicken yet. I don't know why.
Look at all the honey on your hands. You got sweet fingers. I'll put that right there. You guys want a bite? Take a big bite.
Think about my chicken.
It's really good, right? Chicken and honey.
Great. Grace.
We said it off camera, so we're good.
So guys, how was your day?
Well, it's Memorial Weekend, and I know a lot of you guys probably about to, if you haven't started already, probably started barbecuing.
Guys, you can have another bite.
Today was the hottest day that we had so far. I think it was like 88 degrees today. So I know a lot of people took advantage of the barbecuing and stuff. But I know a lot of people, they're going to come out tomorrow to barbecue as well.
Look at my little bottle.
You know what I say? What the hell? You got a 3-day weekend? Barbecuing all 3 days. Why not? Make the best of it. I'm dropping my food. This is crazy.
I'm also dropping my food.
You glad you got a 3-day weekend and you off from school?
But I still love school.
I know you love school. That's a good girl, right? You like your chicken?
On the boys' first day of school, they was like complaining. But on my first day of school, I wasn't complaining. I was happy.
I think the boys were nervous. That's what it was.
I was the only one who wasn't nervous.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna know what's the best part of school?
What?
Making new friends.
That's true. Mm-hmm. In your opinion, is it hard to make new friends?
Mm-hmm.
Is it really? Why you say that?
Sometimes people say no, I don't like.
What makes you think it's hard to make new friends when, you know, in school?
That's actually a good question.
You know what I say, honestly? It's not that hard to make new friends. It could be, I guess, if you're kind of shy. But it's not that hard to make new friends if you just be yourself. Mm-hmm. That tends to work a lot, right, guys?
My first day of school, it was easy making new friends.
Okay.
Thank you.
You have some. Yummy, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna some on my chicken.
This chicken is so good, Pepper. You ate that whole thing? Girl, that's... You love you some honey.
I'm halfway done with my chicken.
See, look, guys, I got me some more.
We actually got 2 packs.
We sure did, right? Because we love us some honey.
The boys don't like honeycombs.
They don't?
Yeah.
I thought they did.
One time I asked my brother.
Well, you're right. You're right.
And he just keep on saying no. I don't know when he's gonna like it.
You're right. Everybody has their preferences anyway. Because I remember you ended up, both you and myself, we ended up finishing it up, right? We tore that honey down.
I got 2 older brothers.
It was a Friday afternoon. And I guess we both had the same craving for something sweet. And we tore that honey down, boy.
I saw Mommy with the honeycomb, so I came to her and I said, "Can I try?" So she gave me a piece, and I fell in love with it.
We sure did.
Mommy, I have a question for you.
Yes, honey.
What's your favorite pizza?
Pizza. You mean style of pizza?
Yeah.
That's a hard question.
I got 2 favorites.
All right. I like the chicken buffalo slice. I like the, yeah. What is it called again? Chicken buffalo?
Buffalo chicken.
Buffalo chicken?
Yeah.
Is it?
Chicken.
I guess it's the buffalo chicken. Right. It has the chicken pieces, the hot sauce, and the blue cheese.
Mine's is
And wait, I'm not finished.
Oh, my bad.
And I also like the spinach slice with tomatoes. I know some people probably be like, ew. But I like a good New York slice with a lot of enough mozzarella as
Oh, I
well
like that
as
too.
spinach and tomatoes.
I
That
like
to
that.
me is epic, delicious. And what kind of pizza you like?
Pineapple pizza and plain.
Okay. Okay. That's why when we usually order pizza, you don't like say pepperoni or nothing like that. Your brother says pepperoni. Sometimes when I order pizza for them, I usually get like half and half pepperoni, half cheese. Pepperoni for her brother and just cheese for her.
Yep.
Half and half. Half and half.
Well, it was my first time eating pepperoni pizza. I didn't like it. The pepperoni was too spicy to me. So I told Mommy I don't like the pizza.
You're right though. Sometimes it is spicy.
Yeah. Only if you have peppers in it.
Sometimes the pepperoni is a little spicy.
Yeah, pepperoni is a little
I'm sorry,
spicy.
sweetie.
It's okay. It doesn't hurt.
Okay, cool.
I'm thinking it's supposed to.
This chicken and honey is good. I've been missing out, Pepper. I didn't realize how good this is.
Excuse me. I could barely get this honeycomb off of my fingers.
No, we're gonna wash it when you're done. So you ain't gotta wipe too much because we're gonna wash it when you finish.
I haven't even started drinking anything. No, what? Did you start drinking anything yet?
No, not really. I'm in love with this chicken. And the honey is so delicious. I would have never thought like mixing anything sweet with chicken would go good. I gotta be honest.
It tastes so good. It's so hard to close. Got it.
You could leave it open.
No. Oh, this one close. I only have 2 more. Wait, no, 3. Yeah.
3 more pieces?
Yeah. Wait, is this yours?
That's yours.
Oh. Guys, I don't know if you like this, but I'm really hungry.
Oh. Yeah, we waited a while to eat, right? What did you have for breakfast? Oh, blueberry waffles, right? Or chocolate chip? Blueberry.
Yeah, blueberry.
Blueberry waffles.
I also have cereal.
Right, and you have cereal. And you're starving?
Yeah.
You got a big appetite. Okay.
I just want to know what was that noise.
Your brother walking back and forth.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I heard somebody screaming outside.
He's gonna act like he don't see us making a video, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
He's gonna act like we're off camera.
Mm-hmm. Don't worry, we get him later, right? Mm-hmm. Baby girl, I got honey in my face, my mouth. No? Okay, thank you.
But why are you asking me?
Because it feels like I got honey in my face.
Oh. Maybe it's because I should the honeycomb.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Why am I asking you? Who else I'm gonna ask? You sitting right next to me.
The camera?
Really? You are funny.
My water bottle got wrecked a lot and a lot.
I don't know how that happened.
Yeah.
I guess from the detergent, probably.
I don't drop it on the ground in school.
Exactly. It could be just like whoever washed it, like the scrubbing.
Yeah.
The detergent, probably. I don't know.
I don't know what happened.
But it's okay.
I'm all ready for I'm done.
You are? All right,
I'm
so let's
done.
wrap up.
I want my honeycomb.
Mm-mm.
Yay.
Can you at least give me a piece?
I didn't think about that.
Trust me, I can see that.
At least you got one for yourself now. Are you even full is the question. I think honeycomb has a bunch of honey in it.
It does?
Yeah.
It's absolutely delicious.
I'm gonna just eat one more and then I'm done.
I thought you was finished.
I am.
All right, one more bite for the road, and then we are gonna wrap up, right?
No, I
And tell
already did one more
everyone-
bite.
And close out, okay? I'll tell everyone later. See you later.
Bye.
You finished?
Yeah.
You sure? Or you want another bite?
No,
You sure?
No,
You sure?
no.
All right, let's clean our teeth. Let's drink something and get this food out of our mouth. Okay?
We normally don't do this on camera. You guys are acting a little suspicious.
Girl, drink something so you don't have food in your teeth when you talk. She's a chatterbox, I swear. That's my baby girl. I wouldn't trade her for the world, though. She is something else. All right, sweetie?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this, right? Look right there in the camera and say what you gotta say. All right, guys, so anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm your girl T from Holy Mukbang, and sitting beside me,
Mukbang Princess.
Yes, and we definitely had a good time. This Popeyes with the honeycomb was absolutely delicious. We've had the honeycomb by itself before. Obviously, we've eaten Popeyes before as well. Never collabed together as far as like the chicken and the honey, but I gotta be honest. It's a delicious combination. Definitely would do again. So anyway, guys, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And until next time. Or before I forget, I hope you enjoyed your food as much as we enjoyed our food. And later, guys. See you next time. Bye.
This chicken looks like a lobster.
It does, right?
Yeah, actually does.